All right, I got three things that I got from different whatnot auctions. Two of them Blue Ridge Silverhound and SilverSeekers. So let's go over the Blue Ridge Silverhounds first. Didn't spend a whole lot on any of them. Oop. And this one right here is, one of them was a copper coin that he was giving away. And I want somebody to be able to grab the piece of tape. So there's a copper coin and a 1/10 ounce Aztec copper piece or silver piece. I don't know if you can see that. Let's zoom in. See if I can get that in the right area to where it'll zoom in at. Tenth ounce, itty bitty. It's the only 1/10 ounce piece I got. And then the copper piece, copper round, is a Bitcoin copper round, 1 ounce. Turn it the right way. And it's, what does it say? No, the bottom part says 1 ounce fine copper. Decentralized consensus, which would be the Bitcoin. All right. Next one. This one has a 1 ounce Libertad that I bought, which was, I guess, the next auction. Oh, that didn't work right. Usually try to save these bags because I end up reusing them. Whenever I do my penny searches and stuff like that, I put the pennies in them. This right here would be, see if I can zoom in on that one, right? This is a 1/10 ounce Libertad. Yeah. Focus. Oh, come on, focus. See if I can talk you into focusing on that. There we go. So, all right. Then I got these from a previous auction from them. Let's back that back out again. These are not original coating. There's ink plated, but they're going to look nice in the penny book and maybe even the typeset book, depending on where I put them at. And then the third one is what I got from SilverSeeker. I got a 1945 Walking Liberty. That is a, look at that real quick. That is a San Francisco Mint. And I got a 1944, and I believe that one's from the 20 centavos from the Philippines. It's printed by the U.S. Mint. Oh, sorry. Make sure that's focusing in on that. Focusing in on that. And then the other thing I got was a bunch of copper coins. Variety. See if I can move this around to get better. There we go. That's a King George VI, 1940 half penny. Empire of France, 5 centime, I think, from 1854. Ooh, that's cool. That's Napoleon. All right, that one's cool. So and here's another British halfpenny. Let's see if it has a date on this side, doesn't it? That one's from 1927. And this is the reason I got it. This is 1 cent, 1901. Is that 1901? Let's see if I can do this so the lights. Oh, actually, take that back. I got it. Yeah, 1901. I take that back. This isn't the U.S. cent. This is the. Move this back a little bit. Sorry, so we can look here. That one has some corrosion on it. So that's Virginia. That is from Canada. Okay. Because it's Canada, it doesn't turn over like that. Got to remember the U.S. cent you flip over. This is 19. I'm pretty sure that's an 01 large cent. So that's my first Canadian large cent. It's another British halfpenny from 1928. Oh, move this back over here so we can actually see what it is. Had to rework all my stuff, so my lighting's way off. 1 cent, 1908. Guess this is another Canadian large cent. This is another halfpenny from 1937. King George VI on it. Here we go. South Africa. 1D, whatever that is. Again, has King George. The 6th. That one I'm going to have to look on. That's St. Thomas, whatever it is. From, I guess it's 1870. 1 penny from 1920 something. They were nice enough to put a hole through the last digit. One penny from 1907. These are really back whenever money actually looked like money. Here's an Australian penny from 1942. Again with King George VI. This one's from World War II, right at the beginning of World War II there. All right. So that's it. Bunch of pennies from half pennies from different places in the British Empire. And this one right here, which is from Napoleon, France, 1854. This one is really cool. I'm going to have to see if I can do anything to restore it without making sure I don't damage it any. I don't know that I can, but I don't think it has anything on it. I think that's just all tarnish, and I know I can't dip this and stuff. Sink sometimes. So this other one over here also said sink something sometimes on it. That's a large 1 cent. Oh no, I take it back. That's a large 1 cent. So we got a couple of Canadian. Oh, this one said centamos. I'm thinking this one might be from Spain, but it's from 1870, wherever it is, because that's Diaz there, 1870. All right, well, that's it for my new copper collection. And my new, I now have two 1/10 ounce coins. So that's it. Short, sweet. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a good day.